If you want to earn $50 per hour just dragging and dropping things into things, this video is for you. You don't need any prior experience, you don't need any tech skills or being tech savvy. You can make a real good side income from this, or you can even do this full-time and make a full-time living online using this method. But before we go into today's video, I want to invite you to a webinar I'm having on the 17th of May, 7 p.m. Eastern. And in that webinar, I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 per day with YouTube as a total beginner with no skills, no experience in 30 days, and how you can do it without being in front of the camera at all. This is limited to 100 people only, and there will be no replays of this webinar. So if you're interested, there is a link down in the description. Now let's get into the video. So in this video, I actually want to show you how you can make a ton of money with just dragging and dropping and doing and writing a little bit of text. And where we start is with Fiverr.com, and this is a site where you can create side jobs where people pay you. You see $5 here, $5 here, and that is because it's called Fiverr.com. It was originally made for just $5. Every task was $5, but now they've bumped this price up. You see $2,400 here, $600 right here. And what I want you to do to make a lot of money is to go to video animation and whiteboard and animated explainers. So this is where you make a video over someone that's talking into the microphone like I'm doing right now, and you can make these whiteboard videos very simple with a software that I'm going to show you just in a second. But as you can see here, these whiteboard animation videos cost a lot of money in some cases for someone to make this video. So say that you made this right here. So let's just go into one of these and just check them out. So let's see right here, $65. And you can see here that the videos are just up to 40 words. So you just have to make a 15-second video in order to make $90 as the standard payment right here. And $90 for 15 seconds, that's a ton of money. But he obviously didn't get all these reviews overnight. He worked his way up. He got one gig and he got some great reviews from that, and then he got another gig and another gig. And really what drives the sales home is the quality of your product and also the reviews that you're stacking up. So if I would start as a beginner, I would have a really low price and rack up these reviews as much as you can, because people usually tend to look at others to choose what they want to do themselves. But how can you, as a complete beginner with no experience, use a drag and drop software to make these videos yourself? Well, you can use Powtoon.com, make it animated, and we're just gonna take a little bit of a look on this video right now. So that's the video. It looks really simple. You can see that they have all the drag and drop, and you just click here to start now, and it's completely free for you to use. And I already done this, and you come to this page right here, and here you can choose work, education, personal. Let's just try the education right here to see what's popping up. So up in the top right here, you can see that you can make an explainer video, infographics, presentations, corporate videos, social video ads, and this depends on what your customer asks you to make. But you have all these tools right here that you can use and make videos from. So let's just try and go into the explainer video. These all look pretty decent. Let's go into this and check how it looks. Meet Jane. I think that looked like a very good video to make, and we can actually make this ourselves. You saw the text right in here. That's because, and here are the solutions and here are the problems that the customer is wanting to get. And actually they have their own software where you can just drag and drop, write a few text images and drag and drop. Let's see here, ECS 123 meet. Okay, let's try and make one for me, right? All of a sudden I've become a girl, and maybe I can change this as well. Yes, look at this, it looks awesome. Let's check on the right side of it. So I can change my, oh, here is a guy waving. That can be me if I'm just deleting this. All of a sudden I'm a guy waving. Meet Andy, this is me. I should probably remove the lady, but like you, he's an entrepreneur. Yep. I'm just gonna remove this guy. And right here we can just delete this. Look at this, this is me, and I'm waving to you right here, buddy. Meet Andy, like you, he's an entrepreneur. And then we just walk through, and like you, Jane struggles with making money online, and we can just easily click and make this work for ourselves. And like that, like you, Andy struggles with making money online. He struggles to make a YouTube video, and it frustrates her at work because she wants the freedom, she wants the time to be able to be their own 9-to-5 boss, start their own YouTube channel and make tons of money with affiliate marketing. And you can just get some ideas of what your audience wants and what the customer that you're having on Fiverr really wants you to add in here. And I think they look really good. If I went into Fiverr and someone made me a Powtoon animation, I would never suspect that this would come from a animation software like this. So it truly looks like it's very professional, and that you can have great results with this. And you can see that all these slides take about 1 minute and 3 seconds. So what I would do if I were you, I would go in here and then I would just go to become a seller, and here you can make your own business, your own task on Fiverr that you want to complete for clients. And the best way that you can make a really good one is just look at their sales page, look at what they are doing for clients, and then just plain and simple copy and make it your own. Copy, make it better. In the beginning, you can do $5 for 1 minute of video. You can just really try and rank up those reviews, because you need those reviews, and that is very important, because you're making a real business that people actually want to get and to make these videos for their clients and for the people that come and want these animations. And you'll be amazed about how many people actually want these whiteboard videos. Look at this. There are tons and tons of people buying these whiteboard videos because everyone online is using them. Video content is always going to convert so much better than just a written sales letter. People want things to move. People want things to be dynamic, and that is what they get with having a really good whiteboard video or animation video. But this is just a free software, right? So how much does it cost if you upgrade to, so it starts at $19 per month, and that's really all you have to pay, $19. And to be honest, you should be able to make this money back. This is just 5 clients or 4 clients. If you're pricing yourself at $5, you can get 4 clients. 4 clients per month, that should be no problem at all. Another thing that I've seen freelancers do is that in the beginning they give away a free consultation. So maybe they hop onto Skype with someone and they ask them, oh yeah, what are your problems? What do you really want to make a video about? Oh yeah, and you talk to them, you get a relationship with them, and once they're on that free call, and if you sound like you're a professional and you sound like you can be of much of help to them, they will start trusting you. You can send them a free video, just a tiny 15-second video to give them just a little bit of a teaser, and that takes you like 2 minutes to make, right? So that's really how you can start and be able to make a profitable business on Fiverr and use a drag and drop software to make you $90 in 50 seconds. So I hope that you enjoyed this video very much. So that's going to be today's video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And also, by the way, don't forget to sign up to the webinar we're having on the 17th of May, 7 p.m. Eastern. This will only happen one time and there will only be 100 people that we can enter into the software because we've only paid for 100 people. We can't have it bigger. And in that training, I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you have to do to start from a complete beginner with no experience and no skills, and show you the secret strategies that I've implemented in my channel to grow my channel really quickly. Also, I'm gonna give you a ton of bonuses like my video scripts. I'm gonna give you my blueprint, my 4-week action plan. There is so much you get with attending this live webinar, and also I hope you do what I'm doing in the video. Like, I really hope that you guys go out and start making this happen for yourself, because YouTube is the single most important thing that you have to become good at. YouTube video content. But that's enough yapping for me. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.